Oh, eat it, eat it. Good stuff. That's a good fish. That's a big bream as well. I reckon he's sized as well.
Yes.
Good stuff.
Another one.
Good stuff, mate. 3 fish? Oh, that's right, because you caught that cocky. I'm so surprised at how well they're taking it. Good stuff. Oh, he's a bit smaller than the other one.
Yeah, he's about 30.
Yeah, that's good. This is going to be a fire session.
About 30 centimetres.
Good stuff. That's a mullet. Good stuff, Blake.
Good job, Blake.
Baba.
Got him.
My boyfriend. Oh my god, that was beautiful.
Yes, you.
Guys, my name is Julie
Look at this
Golding.
one. Jordan, look at the fish.
I'm dating
Look at it,
Joshua,
look
but
at
he's
it.
pretty hot.
Oh, Nick's got a fish.
Nah, I reckon I'm good. There we go, guys. That's a there we go, guys. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that's a first fish out of the day. He took it just out of the other fish's mouths, but oh, one's looking at it. One's looking at it. Go on, eat it, eat it, eat it.
He's got it, he's got it. Yes!
No.
No.
You're bloody yellow-eyed mullet.
That would have been a good bait spot as well.
That's what we don't. That's what we don't want to catch. Move some. Yes, please. Got him. That's a Trevally.
Is it actually?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, Stu. Oh no.
Yes. Excuse me, boys.
Coming, Evie.
Get down. Trevally.
There we go. Oh, I reckon I can get him. Jeez, that's a good fish. That's my first Trevally I've ever caught. Oh, there we go, guys. That's a nice Trevally. Nice Trevally. See you, mate.
Oh yes, I got a bream. Got a bream. Keep tension. Oh, please, come on, mate.
Oh, geez, that's a big fish, Blake.
Come on, mate. Shit. You want on it?
And then old Blake switched up onto a fish. That's a massive fish. Oh! Oh, that's so unlucky. Watch out, you hell. Alright. See you, boys.
See ya.
Cheers. Oh, that's good. Thanks for nice fish. And stay tuned for this video next Thursday. Cool. See you, boys.
See ya.
Pleasure, boys.